In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively add collaborators to your Hostinger account. Whether you're working on a team project, need to delegate tasks, or simply want to share account access with trusted individuals, this is an essential skill that can streamline your workflow and enhance cooperation. Let's dive right in. To start this process, you first need to log into your Hostinger account. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Hostinger website. Enter your account credentials, your email and password, and click on the login button. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll arrive at your Hostinger dashboard, the central hub for managing your hosting services. Next, you're going to head over to the account settings. This can typically be found on the top right corner of your dashboard, often symbolized by a gear or profile icon. Clicking on it will give you a drop-down menu or a list of options. Look for users and permissions. This is where you'll manage access rights for other users. Upon entering the users and permissions section, you will find various options to control who can access your account and what they're allowed to do. Spend a moment familiarizing yourself with the interface, as getting comfortable here will make the process more intuitive. Your goal here is to add collaborators because this feature allows you to specify who can assist with managing different aspects of your account. Now, to add your collaborators, you'll need their email addresses, as this is the primary criterion for invitation. Look for the option that says add user or something similar, often accompanied by a button or hyperlink. Clicking this will prompt you to enter the email addresses of the individuals you wish to add. Make sure the emails you input are accurate to avoid any unnecessary complications in sending the invitation. After you've keyed in the necessary email addresses, the next step is to designate roles. Assigning roles is a vital part of this process, as it governs what each collaborator can do within your account. Hostinger usually provides a few predefined roles such as viewer, editor, or admin, each with specific permissions. Be sure to choose the role that best fits the responsibility level you want each collaborator to have. If you're unsure, remember that you can always adjust these roles later, depending on the needs of your project or organization. Once everything looks good, the final step is to send the invitation. A quick review of your entries is always a good idea to ensure that everything is set up correctly. When you're ready, hit the Send Invite button. This action will dispatch an email notification to your selected collaborators with instructions on how to access your Hostinger account. It's wise to follow up with them to ensure they've received the invitation and can access the functions they need. And there you have it, a straightforward way to collaborate on Hostinger with your team or partners. By doing this, you're empowering others to help you effectively manage your hosting environment, saving time and enhancing productivity. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.